안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 아그네스예요. 필리핀 사람이에요. 29살이에요. 저는 K-Influencer Academy 처음 입학해요. Hello everyone, my name is Agnes. I am from the Philippines. I am 29 years old and this is the first time I've been a part of K-Influencer Academy under Korea.net. Welcome to my first episode as K-Influencer. And that being said, I would like to share with you how did I meet Korea and how did I get attracted to the country. I think I first met Korea through our television, through the Korean series shown on Free TV and one of the leading broadcasting stations in our country. I can still remember some of the most unforgettable Korean series that I've watched when I was in high school. I think that was 2004, 5, 6. Yeah, so some of the memorable dramas that I've watched during that time were Save the Last Dance for Me, Memories of Bali, Lovers in Paris, My Girl, and I think Princess Hours. Those dramas really hit me a lot, really hit me different. So those dramas I've known So Jisoo, Lee Dong-wook, and other famous Korean actors. And upon watching those series, I get to know little by little about Korea, and I was so amazed of how beautiful the country is just upon watching the country on the television. But I believe K-pop has already been existing during that time, but I was more of a K-drama fan than K-pop. But I have a couple of K-pop groups that I idolized. My first encounter of K-pop was with Wonder Girls with their famous song Nobody. So I can still remember people would find it weird when you idolize K-pop idols or when you love K-pop music because they said, why idolize them when you don't understand their language? But I believe since music is a universal language, so even if you don't understand it, you can still love it. So yeah, during that time, the groups that I really love were 21, Big Bang, Super Junior. Oh my gosh, I can still remember I would always look forward to Mix PH and look forward for their top 10, their daily top 10. I would look forward for 21's Fire to be on top and dance with them, sing with them. But during that time, I cannot really say that I was already crazy about K-pop or the K-world, just an ordinary viewer. But I already love them, but not as crazy as now. Yeah, now my favorite group is BTS. I am an ARMY. Hello to my fellow ARMYs. I really love that group because of their personality. I think I started being crazy about Korea, about the K-world, both K-pop and K-drama was in around 2014 when I heard of an opportunity in 2015, an opportunity to study in Korea, to study the Korean language. I really grabbed the opportunity and I applied that scholarship. It was sponsored by our then Vice Mayor, now Mayor, together with the Cebu Korean Association. I applied for a scholarship and fortunately I was one of the chosen ones. We were 15 who went to Korea and studied their language, and it was really a once in a lifetime because I was given the chance to see personally the dream land, the land that I've been dreaming for, that I've been looking forward to visit. We really enjoyed a lot and how we wish we stayed there longer. With that experiences, I've been crazier about Korea, about the K world, their entertainment, their culture, the language. I've enrolled a lot of Korean classes here in the Philippines when I already came back here. And I started being a fan of BTS in 2017 when I heard their song Chura or Dope, and it was my favorite back then. But year by year they release a lot of songs, so I have a lot of favorites already. I think most, if not all, of their songs are my favorites. We studied Korea and we stayed in Pucheonsi, Gyeonggi-do, and studied the Korean language. We studied in Daejeon Daehakyo or Daejeon University, and it was a really amazing experience because we get to explore Korea, although not really the entire Korea, but we get to visit Seoul, Gangnam, and some of the most famous tourist attractions of the country. And it made me fall in love more with Korea, apart from being in love with the country just by watching some series on TV. But when I personally stepped on the country, oh my gosh, I fall in love more with Korea. I was so glad that we came there in autumn because I get to witness how the leaves changed their colors from the normal green to the yellow, and then it became orange and then red, and it's really beautiful to look at. And I had my first ever experience of a snow because we went there in I think that was September. Yeah, and then we went back here in the Philippines in December, and during the first week of December, the snow gradually started to fall. It was a really nice experience to see the snow personally, to touch them, to feel the coldness of the weather, because you know Philippines is a tropical country and it's really hot when it's summer, and the Philippines only has 2 seasons, so it's a different experience when you go to a country with a different season as ours. So we were really happy, and that time I really fall in love with Korea, and I get attracted more and more, and I always wish to go back there and explore more. During our stay there, we've met a lot of new friends, Korean friends, and the same as Filipinos, they're also hospitable, they're very warm, very welcoming, and they're very honest. You know what, I've experienced, one time we decided to visit Seoul. I think it was in Gangnam. We decided to visit Gangnam and we were riding a bus, and my friend left her phone in the bus. She just discovered that her phone was not with her already, and she was so worried. But at the end of the day, the school administrator called her and informed her that her phone was returned to the school because we rode the bus from the school to Gangnam. So the bus driver just returned her phone to the school administrator, and that it was given back to my friend. That's how honest they are. And that trait made me love Korea as a whole. Apart from, it is given that Korea has a lot of beautiful tourist spots, tourist attractions, but what made me fall in love with Korea is the people. They are people who are honest and very welcoming. Although sometimes it's inevitable that there's really language barrier, but we never felt that. Because they're so warm, they're trying to entertain us, they're trying to speak in English just so we can communicate effectively, and we're so touched. And the school administrators are very helpful. My experience in Korea was one of the most unforgettable experiences I had in my entire life. Existing in the world for 29 years, my experience in Korea is one of the most notable, most unforgettable experience I have, and I want to experience that again. One of the tourist attractions that we visited to was where the Namsan Tower, Yongin, Korean folk village in Yongin. So that's it. That's how I met Korea and how I get attracted to the country. And now I still love the country so much. That is why I joined the K-Influencer Academy to share my experiences, to share my craziness about Korea, to share more about Korea with you. How about you? How did you meet Korea and how did you get attracted with the country? Please share your thoughts in the comments section, and please share your thoughts about my video today about my first ever episode of K-Influencer program. I hope to see you again soon. Bye! 안녕! 감사합니다.